अब कल माननीय मुख्यमंत्री।
नाज़रीन, बेहद अहम खबर, मौजूदा हालात में मईशत की क्या कुछ रफ्तार है, इसी पर राहुल गांधी और रघुराम राजन की बातचीत हो रही है। आइए देखते हैं।
But you have to treat this pandemic as a situation which is unprecedented. We have to break norms in order to tackle what is needed, while at the same time keeping in mind that there's an overall budgetary sort of limit. There are only so many resources we have.
What do you think about the agricultural sector and the workers, migrant workers? How should we be thinking about their finances?
Well, this is where I think the efforts we made on direct benefits transfers sort of needs to be realized at this point. All the ways we transfer to relatively poor people, we need to take a call on that. We have different ways of accessing through widows' pensions, through the Manrega roles, and we need to say, look, these are people who don't have a job right now, who don't have a livelihood. And for the next 3 or 4 months, while this uncertainty is on, we're going to support them. But in terms of the sort of priority, keeping people alive and keeping them from having to go onto the street, in protest or looking for work is probably useful at a time of lockdown. And so I think we need to find ways of getting both money as well as food through the public distribution system to as many of these people as we can.
तो डॉक्टर राजन, कितना पैसा लगेगा गरीबों की मदद करने के लिए?
तकरीबन 65,000 करोड़।
65,000
और 65,000 करोड़ इतना ज्यादा नहीं है। हमारा जीडीपी 200 लाख करोड़ है। और उसमें 65,000 करोड़ इतना ज्यादा नहीं है, तो कर सकते हैं। और अगर ये गरीबों के लिए है और अगर उनका जिंदगी बचाने के लिए है तो करना चाहिए।
अभी तो देश संकट में है, मगर कोविड के बाद हिंदुस्तान को इस घटना से कोई फायदा भी होगा? कोई स्ट्रेटेजिक फायदा होगा? दुनिया में कोई बदलाव होंगे जिससे हिंदुस्तान को फायदा होगा या जिनकी हिंदुस्तान एडवांटेज ले सके? किस प्रकार से दुनिया बदलेगी आपके मुताबिक?
These kinds of incidents rarely have positive effects for any country, in general. But there are ways